rectangle. So we got a rectangle. It says that it is 1 inch longer than it is wide. So the width, we'll call it x, means that that's going to be 1 inch shorter than the length. So that will be our x plus 1. All right. Now from here, it says that the diameter is 5 inches. There's no such thing as a diameter in a rectangle. That's in a circle. That's the typo right there. It should be diagonal, and that's going to be 5. What's the width of this rectangle? Well, if you didn't realize what kind of question this is actually a Pythagorean theorem question where we know that it's a right angle, so a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Let's fill that in. X squared is this side, plus b squared, which is this guy, x plus 1 all squared, is going to be equal to 5 squared, or diagonal. So we got here, I'm going to expand this one right here, so we have x squared plus, so really this is going to be 2 of these side by side being multiplied, so x times x is going to give me x squared, then we have x times this one, which is going to give us an x, and 1 times this x, which is going to give us another x, so that's actually plus 2 x's, and then we have 1 times 1, which is just going to be plus 1. And that's still going to be equal to 5 squared, which is 25. Let's combine like terms to make this look a little nicer. We have x and x squared is going to give us 2x squared, and we have that plus 2x, still plus 1, and that's all going to be equal to that 25. So from here, we now have to solve for what it is. Quite frankly, I think it's going to be fastest to just plug this in. So let's take a look here. Let's go ahead and start with the, 3. So 3 squared is 9, 9 times 2 is 18, plus 9 times 2, or sorry, 3 is what we're plugging in. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1. Does that give me 25? 18 plus 6 is going to give me 24 plus 1. Great, good. Because I'm out of time for this, and B, 3 inches is going to be the answer. But